Dear students, our next topic is important facts of vector addition. One common fact that we have already studied is that the vectors quantities of same nature can be added only, right? That's as for example, velocity can be added to velocity only, and displacement can be added to displacement only, as we have already discussed in our principle of homogeneity when we have solved the numericals for dimension analysis. The second property is vector addition is commutative, right? Vector addition is commutative, that is, if we are having two vectors a and b, in that case a plus b, right, vector a plus vector b is equal to vector b plus vector a. Now if I draw a diagram like having vectors, this is vector a and this is vector b, and if I complete this parallelogram, then this vector is c taken in opposite order will give us the resultant of this vector, right? Now so accordingly this should be b vector and this should be a vector, as parallel sides are equal of parallelogram. Now applying, let we name it O, P, Q, R. In triangle OPQ, by triangle of vector addition, OP plus PQ is equal to OQ, right? So OP is A vector plus B vector is equal to C vector, which is equal to A plus B, right? Give it number 1. Now in triangle OQ and this is in this direction, right? In triangle OQ and R. Now this OR plus RQ is equal to OC. So OR plus RQ is equal to OC, or we can write here, we can put the arrows also actually, because here these line segments are representing the vectors, so we will put the arrows. Now OR is B vector plus A vector is equal to C vector, right? So we can have this is, now we can erase it right now, so as to there should be no any confusion. The right hand side is equal to C is equal to C, so we can write here A vector plus B vector is equal to B vector plus C vector, hence proved, right? This shows that the vectors are commutative in nature. Next property is vector addition is associative, that is, now we have to prove that A plus B is plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, right? Now in that case we will follow this diagram. Here this is a polygon law of vector addition, in which again the rule of vector addition is same, that if we join the tail of second to the head of first and so on, then the tail of the first and the head of the last, we will get the resultant, right? Now in this case we are having three vectors A, B and C, and the resultant of that is R. Now we join these two in between, so that now in triangle we name it O, P, Q and S, right? Now in triangle O, P, Q, see here OP is in this direction, PQ is in that direction, but this OQ is in opposite order. If I take this triangle OPQ, OP plus PQ is equal to OQ. So I will write here in triangle OPQ, OP vector plus PQ vector is equal to OQ vector, right? So OP is what? OP is A vector plus PQ is B vector is equal to OQ is our resultant vector. So we'll write here OQ vector, right? So our OQ vector comes out to be A plus B. Now what we need A plus B plus C. So we should have a triangle in which one vector is A plus B and another vector is C. Now let's see. here this is A plus B and this is C. So I think got it. This is the triangle O, Q and C, right? So this is A plus B, this is C vector, right? And the resultant is taken in opposite order is R. So our OS, this OS is equal to A plus B plus C, or we can say OQ plus QS. So we'll write here OQ plus QS is equal to OS. Now OQ is what? OQ is A plus B. So we'll put the brackets because this contains two terms, plus QS is what? This is C. C vector is equal to OS. Let me put it R. Give it number 1. We have proved the left hand side. Now we will prove the right hand side. Now in right hand side we see there here is A vector is separate and B plus C are in brackets. So firstly we need to find B plus C. Now we will have a triangle, this one, B and C. So this is PQS. So these two vectors are along the sides of a triangle and this side represent the resultant. If I draw it separately, this is PQ, which is B, this is QS, this is C, right? This is S, and this is the resultant from P to S, which is B plus C, right? So we'll write in here in triangle PQS, PQ plus QS is equal to PS. So PQ is what? B vector plus C vector is equal to PS. So we get PS is equal to B plus C. Now what we have to prove? A plus B plus C. It means we need a triangle in which there is A. So this is B plus C and this is A. Now see here, A plus B plus C is equal to R. So in triangle OPS, OP plus PS is equal to OS. Now OP we have OP is A. OP is A. You can see here OP is A. So OP is A vector plus PS we have just calculated B plus C is equal to R. So from 1 and 2 you can prove here that A plus B plus C is equal to A vector plus B plus C. Hence proved.